This is my 1995 BMW E36, and I'm registered in a car show this Saturday, and it's pretty dirty. So let's get on that. The car is cleaned. Now I'm going to pull into the garage and then we're going to get to the real cleaning. You can see it's pretty oxidized. That's what my main goal is, to get rid of that. And my main goal is also to make it so that more of this doesn't happen. Really try to protect the paint and fix whatever I can. Alright, well, I've never clay barred a car before. However, I did my research, so let's see how this goes. That also means if I'm doing it wrong, don't yell at me. So here I have a close-up of it, and then I'm gonna spray it, and then try again, and let's see. Oh my gosh, it just grates it like cheese. I do just gotta keep being like, it's getting better, because it's so hard to tell, but I don't know if that's just because my car is so old, or maybe it's done this recently, I don't even know, probably not. Or I'm just doing it wrong, that's a very plausible thing. The thing is that there are little things like this in there, so that makes me think I'm doing it right, because that's what I see. Okay, I'm gonna try that again on this door. I think I was just not using enough spray and that's why it was being weird, but let's figure it out. Seems to be working, actually. Oh, it's a big old ding right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna try this panel, this rear quarter. Let's see how this goes. I do think it's working. I think that this is gonna take a little bit more, and then obviously I gotta buff it, and then it should be good though. So I finished clay barring the car, and now the next step is gonna be actually polishing it. So I put this tape line down and I'm going to polish that side first, and then we're going to be able to see actually how different it is. Alright, bear with me on this one too, because I've actually never polished a car before either. This is a bunch of firsts for me. I finished cleaning it off. You can barely even tell. So this is the side that I did do. My clear coat has a bunch of chips and stuff in it. And this is the side that I did not do. You can really tell the difference when you get to here. See that? I think I did that earlier today, to be honest. But I mean, it looks better. A little less hazy. Right here was the actual problem. I don't know how to fix that. It looks worse on camera, but I don't know. I'll keep chugging along, see what happens. Alright, so I just took the tape off. Can't even really tell which side I did, but I'm gonna grind the rest out and just see if it's good or not. I finished doing the polish. I think it turned out really good, actually. I learned that the trick to making it turn out good is actually doing it for longer than I thought I'd have to. So if we come over here, the whole car looks really good. But I finally got the hood to look all right. There's still a lot of defects in the clear coat and stuff, but overall it looks pretty good. I'm definitely gonna have to clean the windows and stuff, and the inside just in general, but it actually looks pretty good. The next and final step to make this car look good as new is using wax. So I picked up some of this, and we're gonna wax it now so it can kind of protect it and hopefully continue to stay looking this way. I also have new headlights I'm gonna put on, and I also have new floor mats that are going in. Sweet. Well, let's give this a try. As far as I understand, I need to put it on top of the pad, spread it around, and then wipe it off. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So let's start on this fender. I don't know how, that's weird. It's so easy to, it's like liquid. I just didn't expect it to be. Okay, we're back. So I already wiped off the entire panel. My microphone died, so that's okay. But I think it looks pretty good. I think these are gonna be great at the car show. But like I said earlier, I've got floor mats and I've got new headlights that I'm gonna put in. And this is only day one. Day two, I'm gonna fix the oil pan gasket because that is leaking, and I don't want to bring a leaky car to a car show. So stay tuned for that. Now the last step is the headlights. Then after that, I don't know, I might call it a day, or I'll either call it a day or clean the inside. But like, sheesh. I think that looks pretty good. I'm actually really proud of it. And I threw some wax on the sides just kind of as a joke. I also threw it on some of the faded paint, but I actually think it helped. So I'm just like, it looks clean. I don't know if I've ever had a car this clean. Headlight time. How does it come out? Yep, these are gonna change the look of the car completely. But first we gotta get that satisfying peel. Hold on. That was pretty sweet. Cool. So from here it looks like there's 2 right down here and 3 up top. Then we'll figure the rest out. Holy cow, that's a lot brighter. That looks amazing. And the high beams, that looks great. Look at that. It's a brand new car right there. We're back for day 2, and I brought a friend. So today we're gonna be changing the oil and changing the oil pan gasket because it leaks oil. So let's get into it. Yeah, I guess so. Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
Kinda. It's dark. left for the day. We did about an hour's work, but we're running out of time. So next day is tomorrow. Just a little update. Today is day 3 of working on the E36, trying to get it ready for the show. And I have the oil pan dropped a little bit, and I've scraped a lot of the gasket off. So now I just need to put the other gasket on and then bolt it up and then start cleaning the inside. Okay, first start time. That's what we're watching right now. It's a huge W. That's great. Well, that's going to conclude today's video, and tomorrow's video will be the car show. So stay tuned for that. See you guys.